In front of me is Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers here. So first of all, just open your phone dialer and let's enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, you just reached device info, which includes IMEI and serial numbers, both of them. Tap on OK to go to previous page, and now you can also open those numbers via settings. To do it, just reach the settings, find and select about phone, go to all specification right here, and now you'll be able to find it under status. Sorry, I just lost it, but here it is. So right here you've got IMEI numbers, and if you'll click on model and hardware, you will be able to reach serial number as well. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.